Hey, welcome to the channel. We are headed to Kansas City, Missouri to do a 2.5 mile hike at the Parkville Nature Sanctuary. Welcome to Terry Family Adventures, a channel that strives to explore the world and show our kids what beauty it holds. On our channel, we not only want to see everything we've dreamed of, but we want to share it with others also. If you enjoy our videos, we ask you to please like and subscribe so we can continue our journey. We are at the Parkville Nature Sanctuary in Kansas City, Missouri, and we are doing the Whitetail Trail and Old Kate Trail, which is 2.5 miles.
We are coming to our first trail split, but we are going to head towards the waterfall this way.
This trail is rated easy to moderate and takes about an hour to complete.
So we are currently on the Old Kate's Loop Trail.
It is a very well maintained, easy to follow trail. It has tons of signs, it has benches about everywhere.
It's literally like 30 minutes from downtown KC, this place is. 10 minutes from the airport. But so far, I mean, it's a real pretty area. We have made it to the falls. Not really coming down as good as we hoped, but it still makes a pretty sound.
The trails pass by a waterfall, a boardwalk, and reach the sanctuary's highest point. The area is known for its diverse wildlife, including deer and various bird species.
So a little fun fact about this trail is Old Kate was a donkey, and the college, this Parkview University that is here, Parkville is kind of known for that university. This donkey worked in the agricultural fields of that university for 13 years before she passed away. But this Old Kate was the donkey's name, and they named this trail after her. Pretty cool. So right here at this T, we would take a right, but we are going to go up to this overlook and see what it has in store. Never mind. At this time, the overlook is being worked on, so I guess we'll turn around, go back. Another trail split. You can take that way to go on the Butterfly Pass Trail. It kind of cuts off the loop, I guess, but we're going to stay on Old Kate Trail this way. But check this out. This is really neat. The only way to get here is to take this hiking trail, but check out this gazebo or awning or whatever, little picnic area. This is really cool. I don't know if this is like old university thing or I mean what it is, but it's really cool. If you know what it is, please shoot it down in the comments. We would love to know. This is really cool, just right alongside the trail. Another cool thing about this trail is on some of these trees out here, they have what the tree is, and this is a chickapin oak tree right here. Super cool. So if you're not a tree buff like me, then you can kind of see what a chickapin oak tree looks like, or you know, other things. Here's another one, a hackberry. I definitely wouldn't have known that, but now I do. Continuing this way. So instead of continuing on the old Kate trail, this will take you back out to the parking lot.
This is the Whitetail Trail.
We're gonna go on the Whitetail Trail this way.
These trails are primarily wood chip and gravel with some steeper sections. The Parkville Nature Sanctuary, which features 4 short trails ranging in length from 0.1 miles to 0.9 miles. Visitors to these sites can enjoy a variety of highlights, including abundant wildlife, several streams, and a shelter built on a foundation of an old Girl Scout cabin. Look at you.
Hey Atlas!
Say hi!
How's your hiking on your second trail of your life? Good? Okay, good talk.
We really enjoyed this hike. It is a great hike for beginners and families. It is well maintained and has multiple sections to stop and take in the scenery. You wouldn't believe this trail is near town with how peaceful the area is. We highly recommend doing this trail if you're in the area.
So just like that, we are nearing the end of this Whitetail Trail loop. We did the old Kate's loop and then the Whitetail loop. Altogether is roughly 2.5 miles. This is a very beautiful area. It's hard to believe that we are 20-30 minutes from downtown KC, but that wraps up this video. We really hope you guys enjoy it. Come out and try it.
This is the top-rated trail near Kansas City.
In all trails, yeah. I mean, it's top rated, so
And
it didn't disappoint.
yeah,
It's really nice. I mean, for people who live in a city and you can come out here and be in nature like this, it was really good trail. Super easy to follow, super easy.
remember, a family that adventures together stays together.
Absolutely. Peace.